I will try and present my screen, right? Stay focus on what you are about to see because today's topic is going to be one of the very interesting topic and it is going to be very helpful as a part of employability skills. Is the screen visible to you all?
Yes.
Okay. So, I remember Upasha asking the question, creativity for employability, right? How is creativity a part of employability? So, there are many associations to this, but we need to understand and crack the code from the very basic. So, if we see, Einstein has related creativity to be intelligence having fun, right? What do we understand of creativity? It is not something that is, very different from something that is there around. It is there as a part of your intelligence, right? Somebody has stated, I think it was Chapman who stated that creativity is like oxygen, right? It is present everywhere. All you have to do is you have to consume that oxygen and you will have to make utilization of it in a better way, right? So creativity is the essence of everything. I would present creativity to be. I have tried and make analogies so that you understand what creativity stands for. So C is equals to create. R is equals to real and original, right? Real is equivalent to original, something that is of your own. So create something that is original, something that is very real, right? Which has to be experimental again, because when we are talking about originality, right, it does not come without any experiments. It does not come, from the air. It has to be thought, it has to be processed in a systematic way and order, and therefore it is experimental, it is artistic, right? It is art. Create real experimental art through inventive vast energies that exist between all of us, right? Energies that exist within you, right? Each one of us are creative, and being all women over here in the class, we are born with the ability, yeah, genetically we are devised to be creative. So this creativity exists between all of us, right? I hate this quote which people say that, be unique, be you, right? We all of us are unique, right? There is no need to be unique. We are unique, but all we need to do is we need to, just a minute, I think somebody is there in the waiting room. Yes, we have a new student. Is it Balej? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Balaji Palamuttu.
Balaji, sir. So, hello, sir. I am Pranjal, and I have started the second session of employability skill over here. Right? All we are talking about is how creativity is used for employability. Right? So, hope you can catch up with the class, and we can revise certain things again. Right? Try and catch
Okay.
up with the class.
Sure, ma'am.
Creativity for employability. Creativity again a part of an intelligence, right? A thing that already exists within all of us, right? And we have to keep in mind certain aspects, right? If we think of creativity, what is creativity? Creativity, according to me, I have, drawn out certain, analogies that says creativity is creating real and original things that are experimental, artistic in nature, which has to be very innovative and which comes out of very vast, very wide energies that exist between all of us, right? So that is creativity, and we are going to find that creativity within us. It's already there, right? All we have to be is be aware of them. So there is a term in literature which is known as avant-garde. Okay, so avant-garde is those people who have made experimental, uh, inventions. Those people who have employed new uh, techniques, new strategies to something that already existed. So in literature, those who have, such as stream of consciousness, was discovered very late in novel writing. So that is avant-garde, right? Nowadays, in this world, it is very necessary to be creative because we have multiple things around us, right? If you go and open, what do you say, Google Play Store, right? So you type for one particular application and you will be listed with multiple applications which are similar to the one which you have searched, right? How are they different from one another? They are not very different from one another. Who invented them? We don't know, right? So there are more inventions kind of a thing, but there are more innovations in the things that already existed. This genre, if we want to stand out from the mass, we have to try and be inventive, right? We have to try and think. We have to try and think something new in which in the place where things have already been existed, right? So therefore create real original ideas which are experimental, right? Which are artistic through your inventive vast energies that lies within yourself. Okay, so I'll move back to the yesterday's query, which was stated by Upasha, where she stated that how is creativity and employability skill, right? You were unable to associate or draw the link between them. These are the three major points, right? Any organization you pick, they will hire who can think different, who resolves the existing issue at the workplace, right? Any business, you pick up any business, right? You pick up any organization, any institution, with the setup of business and organization, there is a sale, a combo of discount problems that will arise with it, right? And no one person, it is not a cup of tea of one single person to resolve all of them. And when we state that it is an organization, it is a group of people, right? It exists with the group of people. So each individual plays a very essential role. So whoever the employer is will always try and find out a person. They will always try and employ a person. They will try and hire a person who can think differently and resolve the existing issues at the workplace, right? They will try and choose the one who thinks differently towards the growth of an organization, who has that capability to think strategically, right? They will intake the one who has the ability to think out of the box, right? There are no margins, there are no, why to limit ourselves? Creativity is that one thing that will help you to cross all the boundaries, right? So this is why creativity is again very essential, skill, a quality, an employability quality that we all must possess. So it importance of creativity, if we see, it lies in the essential, right? Essential skills for life. Why is it important? Why creativity is important? Because it is the essence of life. It is vital, right? Skill that will help you in not only organizational, places, but also in life, right? It is highly valued by employers internationally, right? You search for how does Google employ their employees, and you will get to know which are the aspects that they think, right? It helps you to fight new challenges. I would like to share one incident that one of my professors shared with me, right? He is very well known, and he went and took an interview at one of the IIM in Ahmedabad, right? And there was a student who, because there are multiple students with the same grade, and there are various people who will apply for the cutoffs, they all will be enrolled, but very few will have those seats, right? So how to choose people based on PI? In PI, my professor asked the student, he removed the chair from the class and he told him that, sorry, sir, we do not have chair for you. Can you please make an arrangement of a chair for yourself? The student went directly to the door, right? And as soon as he returned, the professor replied saying that, thank you so much, your interview is done. So this was a baffling question, and the student asked, why, sir? Then the sir replied, right, you are enrolling for management. You have the pin against the desk that is there. All you had to do is, press the pin and ask the peon to bring a chair for yourself. This is the basic management skill, right? If you could, that presence of mind, right? That thinking out of the box is necessary. If you have creativity, if you have this capability to think differently, right, you would not go on the routine way, right? You would not go onto the path that is generally followed. You will think differently, you will act differently. Therefore, it is very highly valued by the employers internationally, right? It helps you to fight the new challenges each day. You never know which new challenge would you face tomorrow, right? At workplace or in any work that you are doing. So this creativity will help you to build that confidence that you will be able to come over the situation through creative ideas, through creative actions, and the steps that you take, right? Creativity helps build approachable reputation, right? Whoever, if you are in an organization, if you are working in a team, right? Not necessarily you might face each problem. Maybe your team member is facing a problem, right? If you have that creative thinking, right? We always have that one person. I have that one person who I always go to, right? When I want to solve an issue. If I have already devised a strategy, I will try and confirm. I will take different reviews. So similarly, people will have, you will build that reputation that you are approachable. Why? Because you have that capacity to think differently. Why? Because you have that capacity to think out of the box, right? So it will may help you to build that approachable reputation, right? It helps to attract success. Eventually, everything about organization is success, right? Everything about the business, what do we say, institutions is about success, right? Anywhere, if you go and work, you want to, what is your success if you work as an employee? Your work satisfaction. If you act creatively, if you build a reputation, if you, what do I say, if you are that creative, right? If you do things with your interest and if you do things best, right, you will always have that work satisfaction. So it automatically will bring you success, right? So these are, that is why creativity is important for employability, and that is why those people who are employing, the employers will always look for this aspect in you before they are interviewing you, right? So where can creativity be used in organization? A complex idea, say, so to say, right? If you're facing a very complex idea and you need to convey that to somebody, so if you convey it with, bit of creativity, if you make it possible for the people to absorb that large amount of the data very quickly through your creative skills, right? Then you know your way out, right, of the situation. You know that you will have that reputation in an organization that will bring you success, right? You will not be the person as shown in the picture over here, who is always stressed, right? And who is always, thinking, baffled, who is always confused into situation, okay, what should I do? What should I do? There will be complexity city that you people will face tomorrow, right? So any creative person will have this ability to present things creatively, to think creatively, and make its way out from any problem, right? That is why, again, creativity is required. As I stated, right, this generation is generation of innovation. but we lack invention, right? We will not be a part of that mob mentality. The image that you see over here is the image of mob mentality, right? There are multiple houses, multiple storage, right? And all you can see is different in colors, but the structures are again one and the same. So, color difference, do you find this is a difference? What do you think? Is there any difference that you find in these buildings? No, right? I think we have somebody else as well waiting in the room. Just a minute, right? Do you find any newness in this image? Can you highlight one different thing from different colors, apart from different colors? This is known as innovation. This is just a simple example of innovation, right? Innovation is choosing different colors. What would be invention? Giving a whole different structure in between of this, aside of this, a structure that you can see right in front of your eyes, right? So that is one important thing that you people need to make notice of, right? Do not be innovative. That is the first step towards the invention, but eventually aim for invention, right? Be inventive. We have to look for the inventions if we want to be highlighted out from the mass, right? This is mob mentality. We need to come out of that mob mentality. We need to be different from the herd, and that is how we will be highlighted to be creative. That is when we will realize that yes, now I have my creativity developed, right? So, just a minute. Now, the bigger question: how can we grow our creativity? We have understood that yes, creativity is required. We have understood, yes, that creativity is an employability skills that employers look for, right? But how can we grow our creativity, right? How can we think out of box? How can we think different, right? So the point is there are few simple steps that I have analyzed, right? Uh, one of which is this: trust your intuitions, right? We, as I stated earlier, we all are unique, right? We are unique. We all have same two eyes, one nose, structure of your mouth, but yet we all look different, right? That is our uniqueness. We all have brains, but we all, if I try and tell you or to speak about the same topic, you will communicate it differently, right? That shows your uniqueness. So we all are unique, that we have to be aware of. Secondly, we have to trust our intuitions, right? We'll all have that gut feeling. How many times we listen to our body? How many times do we listen to what we feel, right? How many times we push that ahead? Or how many times, I should say, we suppress those things, right? So, first and foremost thing that you need to do is know that you are different and trust your intuitions. By trusting your intuitions, I do not mean to कि जो आपको feel आपने किया, right? Drastically go and implement that into actions. There are various steps that we need to take in between. So agar if you are asked to be creative at a workplace, right? You have that intuition कि if I do this, it will stand out to be very creative. But there are high chances that you might fail. So check those intuitions, right? So the statement over here, the first step state is that trust your intuitions and think strategically, right? Check those. Believe in yourself. Okay. Believe in yourself. Intuitions are must. They must be highlighted. They must be pushed ahead, but strategically. By first thing, second thing that you can do is by research, right? You will have to test those intuitions. You have to think strategically by research. We all have been a part of something called as research, right? We know that how research plays a very crucial and important role to bring something new in the academia, to bring something new in the field that we are working, right? So research is must. Second step that you are going to do after paying attention to your intuitions is to bring out research, right? Research on those intuitions, find out different ways where you feel that yes, if you employ your this idea over here, it will go correct, right? Find out the results if there are any, right? Again, with research comes utilization and scanning of resources, right? So whatever is there out, right? If you have human resource, if you have, data that is built in the hardcover, use those resources. If you have data available on internet by surfing, you can do those research, right? Try and think before you implement anything into action, right? So second thing that you are going to do is after realization of your intuitions, research, right? Research ke baad you will have to brainstorm. There is one activity that I keep constantly teaching to my students and I tell them to employ it every now and then is mind mapping, right? You have the core idea and then you mind map by analyzing, drawing different branches, stating why this, how can I implement this? If I implement this, what are the repercussions? What are the results that I will achieve, right? What will be the effect of it onto others? What will be its effect onto me, right? Is this advantageous? Look onto all pros and cons, right? That is how you brainstorm. Try brainstorming. After you do research, you have your intuition, you have your resources, you have utilized the resources. Now you need to think for yourself which is the best, and is it appropriate to go with the idea that you have thought, right? So again, brainstorming comes with thinking critically, right? After analyzing all the resources, after going doing your research onto it, you will have to brainstorm and think critically. Once you finish doing that, the last and the foremost thing that you will do is take action, right? Go with the flow, but the flow has to be very checked, right? You will have to map your route towards the success. So therefore, being creative comes with all these actions, right? If you are a part of an organization, you are expected to be responsible. It's not the creativity that is bad, but the point is that those ideas should not harm the organization, so to say. It should not harm the work result that you desire to achieve, right? So ideas are always good, but are those applicable over here? That is what you need to check. So this is why creativity is very essential. We have already known why it's essential, and we have now known how to grow our creativity, right? Will you be able? Yesterday in yesterday's test, I made an analysis, right? I asked one question, can name, and that was, I think, one question out of the two where you will have to state verbally that one creative thing that you have done so far, right? And I found very few of the students have replied, honestly. And few of the students, those who have replied honestly, might have stated, I do not know, right? So here is how you know. You have already done those. During our childhood, we have been creative, right? So point is, those creativity is not dead. It's just that through the way that we have been brought up, we have learned how to suppress our intuitions, right? We have learned that whatever we know is something very less out of the huge mass. So what we need to do is we need to stay back. That is not we need to do. That is the wrong upbringing. That is the wrong way of growing up, right? So what you need to analyze over here is the creativity that lies within you. You just need to find that, and you need to act responsibility through these responsible steps, right? You have to act through these steps, and accordingly you will get the results. So is this much clear to you all? Are you people here with me on the same page? Hello?
Yeah, we are here, ma'am. Yes.
Is this much understood?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, very good. So now I need you people to try this out, right? This is the activity that you are going to perform. This activity is very well known, right? Usually there are, 30 circles, and all you have to do is draw something within this 30 circles. Over here, I have imposed only 18 because we do not have much time to invest over here. We need to analyze the results as well, right? So, what you are going to do is there are these 18 circles. All you have to do is draw something within these circles, right? This certain activities will help you to grow your creativity, right? One of this is this example. So you already know the process, you know why is it important. All you need to do is implement the knowledge that you have taken so far in the lecture, right? Draw something in each circle, right? It could be emoticon, it could be a flower, it could be some nature. You can draw intricate mandala designs, right? It could be anything. So each one of you have to draw something very different in each circles. Try and be as creative as possible. Will you be able to do that? Yes?
Yeah,
Are you
we'll try.
sitting? Hmm. Very good. Anyone who completes will have to come out, and if you are willing to show it over here, it's very good. If not, all you have to do is make a submission to me personally, okay, on WhatsApp. I need to see how you people think creatively over here, okay? Balaji sir left.
Um, will there be some link sent or we will do it in our own notebook?
Yeah, you will have to perform this in your notebook.
Okay.
These are 18 circles conjoined with one another, right? Recall yesterday's class, right? And state that yes, I can build that attitude. You know, Mama, class में तुम करो आठ वाला. All you have to do is make use of 18 circles.
We have to make use of all the circles,
Yes.
or we can skip some.
Your
Actually, I'm
choice.
not.
That's the challenge. That's the challenge, right? There will be 18 different ideas for each circle.
Okay, so we have to use all the circles.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
After the end of this activity, believe me, you will find new skills, you will find new self confidence. Yeah, right? There will be a level of personal development, and if nothing, you are going to get a very new experience. Are your queries resolved, Upasha?
Yes, it is clear.
Very well. You have 10 more minutes, okay? Last 5 to 10 minutes I will require to analyze the potentials of creativity over here. Will you be able to complete in 10 minutes?
Let's see.
Has any one of you finished? Hello? No?
Hello.
Okay. Can you just tell me how many circles were you able to fill?
All.
All? So that means you have completed, right?
Yeah, we did it.
Both of you? Wow,
Yes.
that is great. Would you want to share it over here?
Yes.
Would you like to share it over here? Great. You will be allowed to share now. Just check if you can share the screen. And if not screen, you can simply turn on the camera and show whatever you have done, right?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Wonderful, Upasha. Your dedication towards the course is seen.
I couldn't think of anything else.
Yeah. Okay. And Kani, do you want to
Yeah.
show?
No. Yeah, I will. I will.
Okay, okay. You will have to keep your camera steady and turn your camera downwards because whatever you have
Okay.
written is seen, but that just turn the camera backwards. I think this is the selfie mode. If you will turn the camera backwards, then it will be visible. Now, can you show? Yeah, you were able to do it right. Present the screen if you have taken a picture, right? Present the screen, minimize the application, and go back to the picture where you have clicked it.
Okay.
You have done it right. You were able to present. So go in presentation.
Okay. Is it visible?
No, no, it's not visible. You have stopped presenting. That is why. You will have to again go to the Google Meet link. Present now karo, right? Share your whole screen. Then minimize the tab.
Okay.
Yes. Now minimize the tab. Right. उसको minimize कर लो. Click on the home button नीचे. Click on the home button. Minimize the tab. नहीं नहीं. These are the details.
Okay.
Go back. हाँ. Again go back. Back button जो होता है phone में. Just click on that. Go back
Okay.
again. हाँ. The here is camera, right? Camera screen is visible. Open
Yes,
that.
it's visible.
हाँ. Wow. Oh wow. Wonderful. Plant trees. Then there are dedicate yourself to save nature and can it will be done only by us. Yes, I am possible. Wow, wonderful. Creativity with a message. Very good. This is what we were talking about, right? Trying to utilize all the circles. You can stop presenting. Go back to the meeting again.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much. There is one thing that I would want to tell you, right? The reason why I kept the screen in front of you was it because this is the pattern. We are made to think that this is how we have to do it. I simply said that you will have to draw something in these circles, right? And you will have to utilize all the 18 circles. Now that you are drawing these 18 circles in your book itself, right? Did any one of you thought that we can move this circle ahead? We can move this circle like this, right? I can move
No,
this circle like this. I can make
No.
I
no.
can make different structures through these circles. I can draw one, enlarge one circle, right? I can put these circles within these circles. All I had to do was just change the color of that circle which lies in between, right? And then what I can do is I can draw. See, over here there are some small intricate designs on this bird, right? Similarly, I can use intricate designs. All I had to do was fill the peripheries, right? Because circle ke andar circle. So you would have to do very less efforts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
It is quite interesting, right? The message was very good. I really appreciate the work that Kani has done. And again, I appreciate Upasha's dedication towards the course as well, right? But this is what we were talking about, right? Thinking out of the box. We are made to think. The reason why I kept the screen sharing was this, right? That you are made to think that this is the structure. Did you try and break the structure? It is
Not no.
No, no.
this is now you know, right? Now you know this is how you can think differently.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
there are no limits, there are no boundaries, there are no what do you say, so to call certain lines. All you have to do is shift those lines, right? All you need to do is uh, try and adjust different things, think different things differently, right? So just do not think about what is being said to you, what is being conveyed to you, and how can you, what with whatever resources that you have, whatever you have heard, how can you implement those things differently? That will make you more creative, right? Now you know the skill of creativity. Hope you will be able to do it better next time,
Yeah. It's
right?
very
That
helpful actually.
the every one of you have this ability, right? Every one of us actually have this ability of creativity inside us. The point is the way we look onto the world, right? How do we implement our actions, how do we mold our thoughts, and then come out with something very different. So this is it, right? Today's session, hope it was helpful to you all.
Yes, very helpful for me actually.
And we will have another test. All the classes, most of the classes will be activity based learning, right? One or two, if you might have more theoretical aspects, then we will do one to theories. Otherwise, mostly there will be activities. So bring this confidence in you, right?
Mm.
Everything is there inside you. All you have to do is bring those things outside and show it to the world. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So have a wonderful night and creative day tomorrow. Do you have any questions?